If you've ever wanted your WordPress site to have a header that sticks to the top of the page as visitors scroll, just like the slick modern sites you see all over the web, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a sticky header in WordPress using the latest block themes in 2024, all without touching a line of code. It's easier than you might think, and the end result is a more professional, user-friendly site that keeps your branding and navigation front and center at all times. Let's dive right in. First up, we need to open the site editor in WordPress, which is where all the magic happens with block themes. From your WordPress dashboard, look for Appearance in the sidebar and then click on Editor. Give it a moment to load. You're essentially opening up the design brain of your website. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a menu on the left. Go ahead and click on Patterns. Patterns are like reusable design blocks that control things like your header, footer, and other site-wide elements. Next, click on Template Parts. You'll see an option for your header. This is what visitors see at the very top of every page. Click on the header preview to open it up in a dedicated block editor. Now you're inside the part of your website that controls just the header, and any changes you make here will show up everywhere your header appears. Now comes the key part, making your header sticky. At the top left of the editor, you'll notice an icon that looks like 3 stacked horizontal lines. That's the list view. It's incredibly helpful for navigating complex layouts. Click that to open the panel. You'll see a breakdown of all the blocks that make up your header. It's important here to select the outermost group or row block, because that's the container that holds everything: your logo, your navigation links, maybe even a call to action. If you accidentally select just a part of the header, only that element will be sticky, which isn't what we want. Once you're sure you've got the right block, turn your attention to the block settings sidebar on the right. If you don't see it, there's a little cog icon you can click to open it. Scroll down in the sidebar until you find the Position drop-down menu. By default, it's set to default, but we want to change that to sticky. And that's it. You've told WordPress to keep this header pinned to the top of the screen as visitors scroll down your content. Now, before we move on, let's talk about a couple of optional tweaks that can make a world of difference. First, background color. If your header's group block has a transparent background, as you scroll down, your page content will overlap with your header text, and that can look messy or even make things unreadable. To fix this, hop over to the Styles tab for the group block and set a solid background color. White or black both work great and keep things readable. Second, sometimes you might notice that other elements, like image galleries or special sliders, show up on top of your sticky header, which can be confusing for your users. This is where the z-index setting comes in the advanced section of your block settings. Bump that number up, and you're making sure the header stays in front of everything else. When you're happy with your setup, don't forget to save your changes. Just click that Save button up in the top right. Finally, test everything out. Visit your live site and scroll up and down to make sure your new sticky header is working the way you want. If it's not, just hop back in and tweak the settings. And that's all there is to it. You've just added a sticky header to your WordPress site using block themes, and you didn't have to write a single line of CSS. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into any snags, and make sure to subscribe for more practical WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.